my lungs deranged, but then you shrank and took the dive inside my guts. You went alive. You sailed my veins like coral seas, whispered I'm here, just try to breathe. With stethoscope and scanner eyes, you patched my heart between hopeful cries. Dr. Brave, you faced the grime. Inside me grew decay through time. You washed my cells with holy gleam and woke me from infectious dreams. My spleen you soothed, my brain you scanned. You danced upon my pancreas gland. You tickled nerves with gentle might and tuned my soul back into light. Oh, scalpel suit and gloves so tight. You crossed my stomach late at night. You found my fears in crimson flow and mended me from head to toe.